And we saw mid-70s inland today. San Francisco, upper 60s, sunshine, perfect timing for all of the Easter Sunday plans. We'll have at least one more of these warm days inland before the winds pick up, and we're going to see things cooling down as we head towards the middle part of the week. Right now, still 73 degrees in San Jose, northwest wind at 12 miles per hour. Beautiful blue skies all around the Bay Area. Look how clear things are around Walnut Creek, 75 degrees there, 70s into San Rafael, and San Francisco a bit earlier was 67 degrees, 66, cooling just slightly. Now tomorrow, San Francisco and the coast, you will begin to see temperatures drop as those onshore winds start to pick up. And as things dry out, we're really kicking into allergy season. Oak, cedar, and pine pollen in the high category right now. Without any rain in the forecast, the sniffles and sneezes index may go up a little bit if the wind's picking up this week. Cool start with some patchy low clouds for the morning, but not too bad. Low 50s to start off tomorrow morning. And by lunchtime tomorrow, if you're inland, 60s and low 70s as early as noon tomorrow. But here's where we're going to begin to see those changes. Notice San Francisco and the coast going back into the lower 60s as the onshore winds pick up, but inland San Jose southward, another chance of mid to upper 70s for your Monday afternoon. So temperatures will be cooling Tuesday, gusty winds for 2 days. Tuesday evening and then again on Wednesday as an upper level system drops down. West-northwest winds that'll be gusting, especially on the coast, from 20 to 40 miles per hour. We don't think we're really going to see any rain or significant rain out of these two weather systems. A lot of rain Pacific Northwest. That's where the atmospheric river is hanging out for the weekend. We'll continue to do so into Monday, but watch as it just falls apart, crossing through the Bay Area. That might be just enough to get us a little bit of drizzle heading into Tuesday morning, and you see how that next upper level system kind of falls apart as it moves from north to south. So if we're going to see light rain and drizzle, I think the best chance on the timestamp up there will be Monday night into Tuesday, right there, Tuesday morning. Some clouds, maybe some misty skies, and then skies clear. And we're going to be staying cool with Wednesday's highs also in the low 60s. So Tuesday and Wednesday temperatures come down. Now Thursday into Friday, look at those afternoon temperatures back in the 70s again later this week as we see the same upper air pattern that brought the warm temperatures this weekend reestablishing itself as we head towards next Saturday and Sunday, which means that 7-day forecast goes on a bit of a roller coaster ride as we turn breezy and cooler. San Francisco on the coast starting late tomorrow. You'll notice the cooler temperatures for a couple of days, Tuesday into Wednesday, back into the 60s next weekend, and valleys back in the low 60s Tuesday and Wednesday, but then 70s again, just like that as we head towards next weekend. So if you like this weekend right now, all signs next weekend should see similar temperatures and similar conditions around the Bay Area.
Oh, everyone is loving it. All right, Rob, thank you.